Speed is adrenaline. Speed is mastery. Speed is responsibility. But when you feel that speed on your machine, that's when your heart skips the beat and your brain spills the juice of epinephrine. Here I present top 10 fastest bikes, which is street legal and a dream mission of every bike lover. Welcome to my channel, Piston Bobby. Enjoy the video. A mean machine. A predator on road from a Japanese bike manufacturer. Who took performance to a whole different level. The 998cc inline-4 supercharged engine of H2R has the ability to deliver a powerful 305 bhp at 11,000 rpm with 165 Nm torque at 10,500 rpm. A superfast Ninja H2R claims a top speed of 400 km/h. The Ninja H2R is priced at whopping 75,80,000 rupees. One of the most aggressive looking, at the same time the smoothest of the lot, from the BMW Motorrad stable, is also the fastest. The BMW S1000 RR's 999cc inline 4-cylinder motor makes a breathtaking 193 bhp at 13,500 rpm with 113 Nm of torque at 10,500 rpm. The global favorite of the performance bike is capable of reaching the top speed of 300 km/h. The S1000 RR gets a competitive price tag of Rs 18,50,000 onwards. The Italian superbike maker, Ducati, has got everything a superbiker dreams of having in his or her bike, right from excellent throttle response and engrossing features. Ducati Panigale V4 draws handsome power from its 1103cc V4 Desmosedic Stradale engine that crowns a substantial 211 bhp of power and 124 Nm of torque. This Italian V4 beauty is capable of reaching 300 km/h and gets a price tag of Rs 22 lakhs onwards. A superbike every biker dreamt of. A bike which needs no introduction. A bike which is a head turner. Suzuki Hayabusa, powered with 1300cc liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder engine, erupts out 197 bhp at 9,500 rpm and 155 Nm of torque at 7,500 rpm. This Japanese beast clocks a top speed of 312 km/h. The Suzuki Hayabusa flaunts a competitive price tag of Rs 13,68,970. A new age classic, modern design, MV Agusta F4RR holds the ingredients of solid steel tubular release string, single-sided aluminum swing arm for better control at higher speed. It gets light-weighted chrome moly build that makes it weigh merely 190 kg. The powerful bike with top speed of 298 km/h carries numerous class-leading attributes like diamond-shaped headlamps, power-adjust all-in suspensions, with the patented 4-pipe exhaust system. The F4 screams with 998cc inline 4-cylinder engine, yields at staggering 192.3 bhp and 110.8 Nm of torque. MV Agusta F4RR is priced steeply at Rs 36 lakhs onwards. A hardcore track machine, Aprilia RSV4RF is a limited edition track-oriented model of the Italian superbike manufacturer. The best SPK of all times. The RF attributes the latest version of race-developed APR's Aprilia Performance Ride Control System, a sheer avatar of an advanced mechanism on two wheels. RF's hard-driving engine is capable of producing 201 bhp of power and 115 Nm torque, mated to a 6-speed cassette-type gearbox system. The Italian bike clocks a top speed of 300 km per hour. RF is priced at 25 lakhs rupees. The finest of the liter class, with the Japanese heart Suzuki Gixxer 1000, features the lighter aluminum chassis, MotoGP inspired aerodynamics. The 6th gen Track Focus is equipped with a heart of 1000cc liquid-cooled and FI motor that makes a maximum power of 196 bhp at 13,200 rpm and 117.6 Nm of torque at 10,800 rpm. Gixxer 1000 clocks a top speed of 300 km per hour with the price tag of Rs 19,91,000 onwards. Flagship superbike from the Japanese bike magnet is furnished with sleek design and compact fairing. The 7th generation Honda CBR 1000RR Fireblade is equipped with advanced electronics. Honda CBR 1000RR Fireblade is fitted with 999cc liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder engine that produces maximum power of 186.3 bhp at 13,000 rpm and a torque of 140 Nm at 11,000 rpm. Honda CBR 1000RR Fireblade clocks the top speed of 300 km per hour. The lead class Honda Superbike is priced at Rs 15,81,000. The only Italian bike maker which has effectively provided its customers with the best of both worlds in one bike. The Diavel is a perfect combination of sports bike and a modern day cruiser. The Curti Diavel delivers 1262cc liquid-cooled EFI engine that blows 159 bhp at 9500 rpm and 129 Nm torque at 7500 rpm. The Ducati Diavel clocks the top speed of 300 km per hour and priced at Rs 17,70,000 onwards. The Yamaha's high-tech armed pure sports concept, the R1M, a super sports model, fully armed with advanced technologies. The YZF R1M allows riders to experience the technical philosophy behind Yamaha's MotoGP racing machine. Yamaha YZF R1M is equipped with 998cc liquid-cooled 4-cylinder FI engine, produces 194.3 bhp and 112.4 Nm torque. Yamaha YZF R1M clocks the top speed of 300 km per hour and is tagged at Rs 20 lakhs onwards.